NewAir just sent me another item in front of my door, and I'm going to tell you 15 reasons why you should buy the NewAir's Countertop Nugget ice maker, which also comes with a manual, an ice spoon, and a tube. Reason 1, it's portable. You can take it upstairs, downstairs, outside again, or bring it to your neighbor that's really jealous that you have a NewAir ice maker. Reason 2, it's actually easy to use, and this is how you do it. Plug the power in, and you'll notice this icon blinks, which means it's on. Get your water ready, and right now you're looking at 1,000 milliliters. Open the front lid, take out the ice basket, and inside you'll find the water maximum level. Pour in the water, but you'll notice that 1 liter isn't enough. I was surprised that 2 liters wasn't even enough. It actually takes 3 liters to fill up the water reservoir. Once filled, put the ice basket back, take out ice spoon, close the front lid, press the start button, and the process has started. Let's time it for good to know information. Around the 2-minute mark, it looks like a very weak waterfall, but reason 3 why this ice maker is great is because you can see ice action after only 10 minutes of waiting. Because the ice machine is still getting warmed up, there wasn't much ice at all. After a while though, I feel like the ice maker picks up speed in making ice. According to the features, this ice maker can make 9 pieces of ice every 10 minutes. So after 2.5 hours, this is how much ice is made. So reason number 4 why this ice maker is so great is because it automatically stops making ice when bucket is full in just a little less than 3 hours. Now that it's full, a reason to get this ice maker is that 1 ice basket makes over 2,000 milliliters of ice, which makes sense because earlier I put 3,000 milliliters of water and there's still some water left over. Reason 6, this machine makes 30 pounds of ice per day. Keep making ice and put them in the freezer. My family and I went to a restaurant called Cane's and it was pretty good. I'm telling you this because reason number 7 is that their ice is the same quality that the NewAir ice maker has. What? The same quality I get to chew all day. Nice. The ice tastes good because this ice maker has a self-clean function. Add water to the max, put some dish soap, this icon blinks, hold the clean button for about 3 seconds, this icon lights up, and the cleaning process has begun. After about 5 minutes, the machine stops making noise and we gotta drain all this bubbly stuff out. Which brings me to reason number 9. It's easy to drain out the water and the bubbles. On the back of the ice maker, take the tubes down, unplug it like this, and you'll see water start draining out of the tubes. When the water stops draining, put the tubes back in its place, then check to see if the water and the bubbles have gone down. If you still see bubbles or you want a peace of mind, just repeat the process until you are happy. Reason number 10, it lets you know to refill water again by this blinking icon if you want to make more ice. As you can see here, it's not completely empty, so you got to drain the water out if you're not going to make more ice. If you want to refill the water again, there are 2 ways to do it. You could do it the same way I showed you earlier, or you could hook up one end of the provided water tube to the back of the ice maker by just pushing it in right there and hooking up the other end to a water line. Unfortunately, we do not have access to another water line right now, but just know that it is an option if you want to do it that way. According to my weighing scale, the ice maker only weighs 33.6 pounds.
OMG, that's heavy!
No, it's not. I guess reason 12 is an opinion. If you go to NewAir's website, you'll see that this ice maker only costs $499.
That's like so expensive.
Dude, there's a discount code in the description below. Use it!
This ice maker fits standard countertops. Length is about 16.5 inches, the height is a little above 16 inches, and the width is about 9.5 inches. When I reviewed this ice maker, it was about 3:30 in the morning. I made more ice, I went to bed, I woke up 7 hours later, and I was expecting the extra ice to be melted, but to me, the ice looked perfect. That means it has great insulation. If you want to see other ice makers that I reviewed, click on these videos. Thank you, NewAir, and thank you for watching. I'll see you at the next item.